My beautiful HVAC community, it is me, Mr. Robinson, aka the Test Man. Everything it is, that's HVAC, baby. A lot of people get into HVAC are confused about certifications and license. They hear EPA 608, NATE certifications, state HVAC license, and think they're all the same thing. They're not. So let me break this down to you the easiest way possible. Think about your HVAC certifications, like college degrees. Your EPA 608 certification is like your associate's degree. This is your foundational certification. It's also federal. That means it's recognized across the entire United States because it's from the EPA. If you're working with refrigerants in any way, you legally need this certification. This certification allows you to handle refrigerant, recover refrigerant, buy refrigerant, work on ACs and refrigerant systems legally. Most employers want to see this first because without it, you cannot legally handle refrigerants. So think of the EPA 608 as the certification that gets you your foot in the door. Now, let's talk NATE certifications. NATE stands for North American Technician of Excellence. This certification is not federal and is not state issue, but it still stands out in the HVAC industry because you actually need strong HVAC knowledge and experience to pass these HVAC exams. This is why I compare the NATE certification to a bachelor's degree, because now you are proven advanced troubleshooting skill, knowledgeable technician. A technician with a technician with a NATE certification usually stands out more to employers because it shows they understand the trade at a higher level. This is where you start separating yourself from the average technician. Now, the state HVAC license. This is the master degree level. Why? Because this is state level. Every state has different requirements. This license allows you to operate an HVAC company, pull permits, bid on jobs, run projects, work as a contractor. Most states require years of field experience, passing a state exam, insurance, and business license requirement. So, by the time someone gets their state HVAC license, they have usually spent years mastering the trade. That's why I compare it to a master's degree. So, think about it like this. EPA 608 certification equals federal certification. I'm legally allowed to handle refrigerants. NATE certification equals industry respect certification. I have advanced HVAC knowledge and skills. State HVAC license equals state issue contracting license. I can legally operate as an HVAC contractor. This is the path many HVAC technicians follow. EPA 608 certification first, then advanced certifications like NATE, and then after that, the state HVAC license. As you're trying to break into the HVAC industry, focus on getting your EPA 608 certification first, because that's usually the first thing to get you through the HVAC industry door. So if you like more information like this, Mr. Robinson, aka the Test Man, breaking down everything in the industry, in this HVAC industry, no gatekeeping over here. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like and share. As always, let's put one foot forward, let's elevate, let's motivate, and let's be the best, absolutely the best technician for tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Deuce.